Want to find out how old a dishwasher is? Here's a quick way to find out using ChatGPT. First, you want to open the dishwasher door. You want to look for the label. It's usually on the side door or at the edge. Next, you want to find the serial number and model number on this label. This will determine how the make and manufacturing year. Then you want to snap a clear photo of the label with your phone. Make sure there's no water on it or anything. Wipe it down so you'll have a clear photo. Then you want to open ChatGPT on your mobile or your desktop and type find the make and manufacturing year for this dishwasher based on the serial number. Then upload your photo. And just like that, ChatGPT will give you the manufacturing year in seconds. No searching through manuals or trying to decide what the year is or speculating. Try it out and comment below how old your dishwasher is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hacks.